as you may have heard, AI is having a very busy year. So we've got lots to talk about. Let's get started. We've been applying AI to make our products radically more helpful for a while. With generative AI, we are taking the next step.
Have you ever wished for a virtual friend who could guide you through life's ups and downs? If the buzzing rumors on the internet are anything to go by, Google might just have something incredible in the works. From sources like the New York Times to various tech blogs, everyone's speculating on Google's supposed AI, personal life coach. Today, we're diving deep into what could be a groundbreaking leap in generative AI. Want to know why this might be a game changer in AI interaction? Stick around till the end. We've got a juicy detail that's bound to excite every tech enthusiast out there. Want to stay up on the latest AI developments each week? Subscribe now so you don't miss a single one. Alright, let's set the stage. The big word is that Google is planning to roll out an AI tool designed to offer life advice. Not just that, it's been dubbed a personal life coach. From the sources we've come across, it seems Google is collaborating with the AI training company, Scale AI. But why now? With the success of models like ChatGPT by OpenAI, tech giants are in a fierce race to produce their own versions, aiming for that human-like interaction magic. It's not surprising that this concept is gaining traction. In today's fast-paced world, where finding the time to connect with real-life mentors can be challenging, the idea of having an AI-powered personal life coach at your fingertips is undeniably appealing. Imagine having someone, or rather something, to turn to whenever you're facing a tough decision, seeking advice, or just needing a sympathetic ear. The potential for such a tool to revolutionize how we approach personal growth and challenges is monumental. While official features from Google are still under wraps, there's enough buzz to draw some informed speculation. Check this out. Life advice on various topics, from career counseling to helping with relationship dilemmas. This AI tool is expected to be a one-stop shop for life's questions. Imagine receiving tailored advice based on your unique circumstances, all generated by advanced algorithms trained on a vast repository of knowledge and experiences. Integration with other AI chatbots. Google might just be merging its current tech with the likes of ChatGPT and Bard, their in-house AI chatbot. This integration could lead to a seamless and comprehensive AI experience, where the personal life coach not only provides guidance, but also engages in dynamic conversations, making interactions more engaging and enriching. And then there's the user-driven feedback loop. Taking cues from ChatGPT, it's probable that the tool will incorporate real-time feedback, enhancing its advice capabilities. This means that as users interact with the AI coach, the tool learns from the conversations and becomes more adept at providing relevant and helpful guidance over time. Most importantly, at least in my opinion, privacy and safety. Given the concerns AI tools have faced in the past, Google's AI personal life coach might emphasize a strict confidentiality clause and safety checks to ensure responsible advice. This can involve anonymizing user data, encrypting conversations, and implementing stringent measures to prevent the misuse of personal information. The potential implications of these features are mind-boggling. Picture a future where individuals from all walks of life can access expert-level guidance regardless of their location, time constraints, or financial limitations. It's like having a team of life coaches, therapists, and mentors available to you whenever you need them, all within the confines of your digital device. Let's paint a picture. Imagine being in the midst of a career crisis. With Google's AI tool, you might be able to engage in a dialogue to evaluate your options, much like a real-life mentor, but available 24/7. This means that those moments of uncertainty, when seeking advice seems urgent, can now be met with actionable insights derived from the collective wisdom of the AI's training data. Or consider a teen seeking relationship advice. Instead of wading through the overwhelming vastness of online articles, they could have a real-time, interactive conversation tailored to their situation. The AI coach could provide guidance on effective communication, managing conflicts, and understanding emotions, all while adapting its responses to the user's emotional state and personality. However, it's essential to remember that as with all tools, the AI personal life coach will have its limits. It's not expected to replace human expertise, but augment our decision-making processes with a readily available digital consultant. The role of this AI coach would be to provide insights, prompt self-reflection, and offer suggestions based on patterns it identifies in your behavior and concerns. Given the current landscape, it's evident that generative AI is here to stay, and Google's venture only cements that belief. Compared to other AI tools, what sets Google's rumored product apart is its all-encompassing life approach. While OpenAI's ChatGPT set the standard, Google's integration of a life coaching feature could be the dawn of a more holistic AI-human interaction. The potential benefits of this technology are immense. Imagine marginalized communities that lack access to quality education and mentorship. An AI life coach could bridge that gap, offering guidance that's culturally sensitive and tailored to their unique circumstances. It could democratize personal development, making valuable advice and insights available to everyone, irrespective of their background or resources. Yet, challenges do lie ahead. Generative AI has faced its fair share of controversies, from privacy issues to the AI hallucination, where bots sometimes make facts up. There's no doubt that Google will need to tread carefully, ensuring the tool is both effective and ethical. Transparency in how the AI generates advice, addressing potential biases, and ensuring user content and control over data usage will be critical factors in building trust around this new technology. Speaking of which, have you heard about Microsoft's incredible AI initiative linked to the Hawaii fires? Talk about AI being a lifesaver. Check out our next video to dive into how Microsoft is leveraging AI technology to make a tangible difference in disaster management. You won't want to miss it.